What's up, guys? And you know who it is, Brendan here, and and I'm on the bus, the noisy bus, and so you guys can see me a little. Nathan, look at Nathan. I'm recording. Nathan, whatever. Trying to do this yesterday, but it did not work. So, what up, man? Yeah, this is my little buddy. Yeah. So me and Danny were playing catch, and he kicked the ball, and there's a metal fence, and I jumped up, caught the ball though, but then I turned my face and went right into it, and then I was like that, and I like just scraped it. So like I could feel metal in my mouth.
Can you show me?
It hurts when I try to take it off.
How is this open?
Like you can see this. Look around my eye. The redness. The red.
How?
Okay, so there's a lot of people back there. So yeah, pretty much it's Danny, Nathan, and Luke are on the bus. Like not really, they're not on my bus. So hold on, I'm gonna yell for Danny. Danny! Never mind. Nathan! You gonna listen to me or what? No. Alright, hold on for a minute. Nathan! Nathan! Never mind. Alright, so me and him right here, Kevin burrito. Frappuccino.
Oh God, Fritos.
Whatever. Like,
You're welcome.
alright. So we're on the bus. It's a noisy bus, pretty much. People get yelled at, and like almost everybody.
Hi.
What?
What? I'm saying with you guys.
Why?
Because you can sit on my lap. I don't care. Really? Yeah. You guys could just scoot over. I don't care.
How about you sit on the outside? Okay.